Keep it down. I'm trying to sleep. Oh, sorry Dunga. A monster. It can't see me now, I'm hidden. Where did my ring go? Say hi to the baby, Ozzy. Baby? I love you, giant baby. I hope no one saw that. Pip tripping. You will scratch me. Wait, when did I start scratching you? Stop touching my house. What is she doing? Humans rub cloths on things all the time. Weird. It must be what they do for fun. I can whistle the Addams Family theme. Excellent. What else can you sing? Time for your vet checkup. Or, can I see? Sure. Meryl the talking teal singing. He is my boyfriend now. Some beaks are gentler than others. I'm fucking lost. Scritch please. No you. Scratch me. Hop. No, go in the cage. Oh. Hop. Birds can't make facial expressions. Joy. Disgust. Fear. Anger. But, I'm going to the bathroom. Jap. Where's human? Always wandering off getting lost. Silly human. Come back. Flock is over here. Hey. How would you like it if I bit you? You want to scratch? Oops. I got you. Thanks. You bad at scratches. Not that way. Doing it wrong. More scratch please. If I do, are you going to bite me again? No. Oh human good morning. Yes pick up please. Wait, I have to stretch. Buffering. Okay let's go. Thirsty. That's my water. Occupied. Nothing is better than enjoying my favorite snack. Over the edge of the table. Why am I like this? We can't believe you're 80. Got any wisdom for us? The bird in the mirror was you all along. Hey, stop. There, no more buttons to chew. Yos, millet. I literally have no idea where the millet went. The fearsome dragon guards his treasure. Henlo, watch this. Snap. 90% of the food. This my magic bowl. Magic bowl? It refills with food every day. Wow. I love any kind of food. But that thing. It scares me. Share please, I'm hungry. You have food in your mouth already. You want me to starve? Try this. I know you'll like it. Nah. Eat. I will learn nothing from this. Hello and welcome to my crib. When that big door is closed, are you trapped? The human thinks so. Chicken, where are you? Chicken? I could say something. But I won't. You can do it. Step up to get the yummy seed. What you doing? Trying to train the human to bring the seed to my beak, but they can't seem to figure it out. Can I touch this? No, that's mine. How about this? No, that's mine. Is there anything I can touch? No. Thank you, human. That was a fun toy. No, the toy's inside. Cardboard. No. Tattoo shops near me. Hey, I may look fat, but it's really all feathers. Now excuse me. Is the gentleman done with his fruity pellets? Yes, I am. Was something wrong with these ones, sir? They are not red. Can I do my laundry, Kato? No, the spinny water cube is mine. Why do you need a washing machine? I don't know, but you can't touch it. Stop, you're doing it wrong. Gotta do everything myself. Yos. Hey, what about me? Where are my scritches? Lol, nope. I got you a new toy. Oh my god. Let me just get this thing off. All yours. Yay. The heck is that? I got my nails done. I hate it. Why do you have to make such a mess? To strike fear into the hearts of my enemies. Peaches. Pichu. Pokeball belly. Permission denied. Amcock HEL. Crisis averted. What book you eating? Dickens, it's a bit wordy for my taste. What's with that guy? His human reads Dostoevsky. Food bowl. Don't nest there, use this instead. Nice. This stuff will go great in my nest. Hey little guy, want to come home with me? I'll call you Whistle. Can you say mama? Dada. Let me out. Come on human. Open the door.